welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Today I have a Stitch Fix. Very briefly, Stitch Fix is a styling service. I pay them a $20 styling fee. Get a box shipped to you of 5 items. Keep what you want, send back what you don't love. The $20 gets applied to anything you do keep. If you don't keep anything, you're out that $20. I have a styling pass where I pay $49 for a year. There's no catch to it. I can apply that $49 to whatever I purchase, and that lasts me the entire time. Keep 5 items in your fix, and get 25% off. These days, I have not gotten a 5 for 5 in quite some time, months. So I don't expect to, especially now at this point where my wardrobe is going to explode. There's only a few things that I need. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, and as many of you have been having problems with Stitch Fix, or you weren't getting the items you wanted, the inventory seems to be lacking or even dated looking, things that they've been sending around for years. And I was gonna go on a little, hiatus from Stitch Fix. And what happened was I needed a pair of shoes for an event. My husband works for our gym as a manager, assistant manager, and we were invited to a Christmas party, which is on board a ship, and I believe it goes up the Hudson River. And I had asked one of the coaches there, it's a very youthful crowd, and I know that my husband was told jeans and a jacket. I'm like, well, what does that mean for, a woman? And I asked one of the coaches, and she's like, I'm wearing a red leather pantsuit. So I said, okay, that gives me some direction. So I had my friend here and going through my closet, and we picked out an outfit for me to wear. I'm gonna wear a pair of my black coated denim from White House Black Market. I'm gonna wear my sequins top that I got from a thread up, and I'm gonna put on my INC black moto with it. And then it was like, shoes, what do I do for shoes? And we looked at my closet, and really the only thing that would have went with that outfit was a pair of booties that I currently have. But they're like, to me, boring booties, And she's like, but they go and it's not too dressy, my friend said. And I'm like, yeah, but they're really they're like booties I would wear to work. Plus the White House Black Market coated denim have like a zipper on the bottom, and it kind of like covers up part of the zipper. So I thought it kind of looked funny. And I just thought it looked best because they're ankle length pants, that if I wore like a heel with them, like a pump, right? So I wrote to my stylist. I told her a couple things that I was looking for. I'm looking for either flare jeans or bootleg jeans, both in denim and also in black denim, minimal destruction, all right? I think I put some sweater down colors that I wanted on there. I said I wanted a cardigan, a Colorblock cardigan to replace the one I got a hole in. And and I'm looking for a brown leather purse. All right, so I got a new stylist, and she came through, and I got some items that I'm really excited about and I would like to share with you. All right, first up, I didn't try any of this on except for the shoes. So I got a pair of shoes, and I was so excited when I saw them in my preview, because I was just like, oh my gosh, these are perfect, exactly what I was looking for. Now you guys might be like, you don't have anything like this, Carol? Nope, I don't have anything like this. So I have like quite an extensive closet as far as shoes. I have like every color, neutral color booty you would want. Black, gray, brown, chocolate brown, cognac brown, beige, red. But as far as shoes go, like not a boot and not a sandal, like a closed toe shoe, I have very little. So these are by 41 Hawthorn. They are a size 7. They are made in China, and I'm pretty sure based on the price, they are a faux leather. Let me see if I can find the price in here for you. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry about that. They are the 41 Hawthorn Cassie Strappy Pump in black, size 7, $64. Not a bad price. Obviously not leather, they're faux leather, but $64, and I don't have to go around shopping looking for a pair of pumps. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. I love shopping. I hate shopping when I'm trying to look for something, you know? I get frustrated because it's not there. This is like magic that came to me. These are perfect, and I'm very excited to show you the outfit that I plan to wear, all right? I tried them on already. All right, next up that I got was this cardigan. Like I said, I was looking for a Colorblock cardigan, and I was really hoping to get the other one that I had previously gotten, but it got a hole in it. This one was sent instead. This one is the pink clover Esperanza Colorblock open in olive, size extra small for $48. All right. First thing I noticed when I pulled it out is that it has a pull in here. So I won't be keeping this because of this pull. I don't know if you can see it right here. So that's number one. It does have the 2 front pockets. It is more, let's see what the material is. 90% polyester, 7% nylon, 3% spandex, dry clean only, made in China, all right? Now, this is not exactly the cardigan I was kind of thinking about. The other cardigan I had was like more of a fine gauge cardigan, whereas this is more like of a fuzzy knit, stretchy kind of cardigan. It has the 2 front pockets, and I do like this. If this didn't have the pull in it, it might be a consideration. The other thing that kind of bothers me is the stitching. I don't know if you can see it. It's tan. They didn't do like ivory stitching where the ivory is and green where the green is and tan where the tan is. They kind of brought it all the way up, so there's like a tan stitching here. I don't like that, to be honest with you. To me, that looks kind of funny. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping this cardigan, especially because of the pull. But I don't think I would want it back either because of the way it was made, okay? Then, next up, I got 2 pairs of black bootcut jeans, which I'm not mad about because I can compare and contrast. The first one are these Liverpool, and they're in a size 25, okay? Actually, these are straight leg, not bootcut, straight leg. And they're the pull-on style, all right? These are the Liverpool Gia Glida Pull-On Slim Straight in black, size 0 for $88. So they're not petite, they're just a regular 0. And they're both high rise. But I want to compare these two with the other black ones, all right? I don't know if you can see the difference in the shade in black. These are almost like a washed out black. They're not a pure black. And because of that, I think I'm gonna pass on these because I do have quite a collection of gray pair of jeans. I'm really looking for black to make that distinction. I will try them on, I will see how they fit because you never know. All right, and then the other pair of jeans are these bootcut jeans. They are by Pistola. They're a Stitch Fix exclusive. They're the Heilyn, H-E-I-L-Y-N, high-rise bootcut jean in black, size 0 petite for $88, okay? And there is a teeny bit of distressing here on the pockets, okay? And a little bit of distressing on the pockets in the front. Other than that, I don't see any kind of distressing. These are, if you need to wear a pair of jeans to work, I mean, very little on the bottom, all right, very raw. These would be okay to wear to work. Nobody would ever notice this type of distressing. I mean, you would really have to get right in your face to see this kind of distressing. So I will give it a try and see how these work out for me, all right? So I'm already excited because I know I'm keeping the shoes. One less thing for me to buy on my own. And these jeans are a possibility. I really don't think these jeans, but possibly these. All right, the next item that I know I'm gonna send back, because she showed it to me in the preview, and I'm like, yeah, send it along. Let me see what it looks like, okay? It's a purse, and when I saw it in the preview, it looked like it's genuine leather. It's by a company called American Leather. It looked like a cute little crossbody bag. This thing is so tiny. Let me hold it up to me so you can get an idea. All right? This is like 6 inches, all right? This is the tiniest purse. I can't use this. This won't even hold my wallet. I might get my cell phone and a lipstick in it. That's how small it is. It has a little pocket here on the side, which maybe would hold a coupon or something. I don't even think I can get my wallet in there, right? There's a little pocket here in front, and then there's a little zip lining here, a little pocket here. I guess if you need to put a couple your dollars in there, since you can't put it in the main pocket. And it's like a chain with and leather wrapped handle, okay, which I'm not going to unwrap because I'm going to keep this nice. And it has their logo, which I'm not too thrilled about a logo embossed on it. And it's the American Leather Company logo. It seems like a very nice quality. It is leather. It seems like a very nice quality leather, but it's teeny tiny. And this is not on my invoice, which is quite interesting. 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's not on my invoice. I can tell you though it was $88 and it's going back, okay? So that's kind of interesting that it's not in my invoice. So this is going back. It's just too small for my use, all right? I'm gonna put this away. I mean, I'll give it one more close up before I put it away, okay? It is teeny tiny. So if you're looking for a crossbody purse for about 88 bucks, this is it, okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first outfit, I'm not even showing you in this view what I got from Stitch Fix. So this is what I plan on wearing to the Christmas party. So it's just a cami from Express that I got at a thread up. I got it last year and I said, you know what, let me just have this in my closet. It's not gonna take up much space. It's a tiny little cami and you never know when I might need something fancy to wear out somewhere. And ta-da, here it is. So I already had the pants. They're a pair of black coated jeans by White House Black Market. And I have my motor jacket from INC, which I've probably had for about 3 years now. And the coated jeans I probably have had for about 3 years now as well too. And I'll pan down so you can actually see the shoes. And they're comfortable, they're great, and they're exactly what I'm looking for. So they're a little bit of a dressy shoe with a heel. Allows you to see the bottom of the pants and the zipper. And it doesn't kind of like cut me off like a booty did, you know? So this is exactly what I was looking for. And I'm very pleased and I am going to keep these. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna put on one of the jeans and the cardigan. Cardigan and the Pistola jeans. I really like the jeans. I think they fit well. They are petite, so they tend to fit me better. And they're boot style and in black. Here's the back of them. I'll pan down so you can see where they hit me. I think they've hit me at a good point. All right. All right, so you can see where they end. They cover part of my shoe here. I'm wearing booties. Okay. There's a lot of stretch to these, and it makes them very comfortable. I have 2 pairs of black skinny jeans, one that I'm looking to trash completely because they're just too small. They're not a good fit. They're too tight around my ankles, and unless they get pulled down and I have to keep hiking them up, yeah, not a fan of them. So I think I'm gonna get rid of those and add these to my collection. With that, I paired an olive blouse that I have from White House Black Market. I've had it for a couple years now, maybe a year and a half. And I realized it's really low cut. I need to wear a cami underneath this thing, so I didn't realize that. I tend not to wear this in the winter months because I didn't have a cardigan or jacket that went well with it to go over it. So when I went to go check out and I saw this Colorblock cardigan, I was like, oh, I was pretty excited to get it. Even though it wasn't the cardigan I was hoping for. I was hoping to replace the one with the hole, but I guess they didn't have that because even when I go into my saved styles, because I have that saved in my styles, it's not showing up as something available. So this cardigan, even though I love the colors and the concept of it, I don't like the quality of it at all. You know, I don't like the stitching here. I think the material just doesn't seem nice, and it's probably not the nicest cardigan. It's the least nice cardigan. I got a lot of Stitch Fix cardigans, and I'm usually very happy with their quality of clothes. I'm not happy with this cardigan at all. I don't like it. Love the colors, love the fit, do not like just the overall fabric on it. Yeah. So this is going back, and the jeans are a definite possibility, all right? Give me one more minute, and I'll just swap out my jeans. Okay, I now have on the Liverpool, what they refer to as glider. They have the 4-pocket styling. There's no little coin pocket up here. There is a fake, not even a fake coin pocket. So it's 4-pocket styling. The pockets are very shallow, very shallow. There's pockets in the back too. These are a regular size 0 and not a petite, and they're supposed to glide on you, and they did not glide over these hips. It was a little bit of a struggle to get them up over my hips and on me. Yeah, this is the widest part of my body right here, and I imagine, I'll put around, I imagine they're pretty tight. There's tons of stretch, so they're not uncomfortable at all. They're very comfortable, but they were a struggle to get on. Once they're on, they're comfortable. But I imagine it's giving me pancake butt because they were pretty tough to put on. So here's the back of them. You can tell me if they're pancake butt or not. I'm not going to be keeping these. There's also, because they're petite, they're a little bit too long here in the rise, so I got a little bit extra fabric here. Not horrendous, but I like the other ones better. They're petite. I also feel the bottoms are a little bit too long because I am petite, so they're kind of pooling a little bit. I'll show you. Not outrageous, but more than I would prefer, okay? So you can see that they're a little bit bunchy right here. Again, it's not a big deal, but I preferred the other ones. And when you don't need clothes, you get to be a little bit pickier about clothes. All right, so what'd you think? Not a bad box. So far, I am thinking of keeping the Pistola jeans and definitely the shoes. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. I do a lot of shopping hauls, try-ons, unboxings. If you haven't already, click the like button. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.